Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can search on Pinterest without having a Pinterest account. So go to Google or any search engine, and then you are just going to press on the search tab. And I'm just going to type in a topic and then put Pinterest at the end. So for instance, I'm going to type in butterfly, and I'm just going to write Pinterest at the end, and then I'm just going to press go. And then you are just going to go down and click either on the first or the second one, like 350 butterfly ideas, Pinterest. Select that, and then this will show up. And I didn't even have to log in to Pinterest. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!